Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Ludi and today I have a new video for you guys. I'm going to visit a duplex yet again. It's one of those type of videos today. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And this is a very interesting video for me and very exciting video as a whole because this house could be the one. And so if you're interested in seeing this video, keep watching and yeah, let's go. So this is me and my sister, and the house is located in Saint Michel, par extension Villeray, which is a borough, and the asking price was $579. And this is the living room space. As you can see, it's pretty big, I felt like, and this house have 5.5, which means 3 bedroom and 1 kitchen and dining room space. So this is the door for the basement. This is the master bedroom, as you can see. It's pretty huge, I felt like, but the closet space is not that big. That's like my only quarrel with it. It's really small, and I feel like this house looked like something that's from the 1960s. I mean, like, there's no renovation from this house. Like, it was built in the 1960s and it stayed away. Look at this bathroom. It's green. Like, nobody, I don't know why they thought that was a good color for a bathroom. Anyway, so yeah, but the bathroom space is good enough, I felt like. And you can put a lot of stuff in this bathroom. You could even add like I don't know, anything you want. This is the second bedroom, which is like a normal bedroom, I would say. It's not too huge, but it's not either small either. It could be like a normal bedroom for adult, I felt like. And yeah, and there's a nice view to the park. This is the closet space yet again. It's normal, not a lot of space for closet space. I felt like this is the one thing that this house is like, is closet space. This is the third bedroom, which is a little smaller, and yet again you're gonna see the closet. It's not big. There's a window, which is something that I really like. The three bedroom each have their own window, which is really nice. And there's not a lot of bedroom who have like nice windows like that. Sometimes you have one bedroom that don't have a nice window. So this one have one, and I felt really grateful for that. So this is the dining room and kitchen area. It's like one large medium space room, I'd say. So we're gonna go up to the second apartment. The flooring on the second apartment is different from the flooring on the first apartment. You could see there's like wood here, and then the other one downstairs was like mostly ceramic. So this is it. It's a large living room. I felt that this living room was even bigger than the living room downstairs because the way the house is made, but the kitchen and dining space is exactly the same. And I felt like, yeah, they do have their washing machine there and everything. But for the other apartment, there was another space for the washing machine down in the garage. This is another nice view to the park, and they have a small balcony here, and yeah, you can see really all the way to the park and to the neighbor's yard also. So I felt like this house is really well located close to a park, which make it like a nice thing. So this is the bathroom upstairs. It's still green. They didn't renovate that either, so it still stay green. And it's almost the same layout, except like I said, the living room is a little bit bigger. So this is the other bedroom that you saw, the second bedroom. It's exactly the same size, and this one is decorated. That's why you can see a huge difference, because the one downstairs, there's nobody living there, so there was nothing and just junk. This is the third bedroom, and it's a small bedroom. It's not a big deal. Like I said, it's the same size as the other one. And yeah, this is the closet space yet again, and there's also a window exactly like the other one downstairs. And this is the master bedroom. I could not film because there was somebody there. So this is the stairs. This is where you open the door and you go up to the stairs to the house, to the second bedroom. They have their own space. This is the basement. This is just a large space with one small bathroom, I mean. And this is the space. It needs to be renovated. And this is the other room where there's the garage, and also a small space where people downstairs wash their clothes and stuff like that. So yeah, but the basement is pretty small. You would need to renovate that to make it really nice. This is the door to the basement here, and I'm gonna give you a tour of the yard so you get a bigger look at this house and see what else I have. The yard is not clean. Nothing is done in this house. The owner doesn't live there anymore, so that's why it's left that way. But you could see, I mean, it's not that small. This side, you can just walk toward there to go to the back of the house, and there's a nice space, and there's even like a tree there, a nice tree, and there's a space for like a picnic. If you clean that up, it could look really, really nice. And there's the downstairs also have the green door is for the basement. And as you can see, this is it. So let me know under the comment below, what did you think of this house? Do you think it's worth $579, the asking price? What was your favorite part? Please let me know down below. So thank you for watching it again. See you next time.